For your homework tonight, we have a sheet called Writing Basic Algebraic Expressions. Hopefully you've had a chance to go over it. I'm going to go over it right now with you, and you can check to see how you did. And if you have any questions, come back tomorrow and ask me. Let's start with number 1. It says, what is the sum of A and 8? When we're talking about sum, we're talking about addition. So I always like to start with the number 8 plus the variable, and the variable is A. Number 2, what is the product of y and 10? Product is multiplication. So I am going to take my number, which is 10, and just put it next to y. And when they're next to each other like that, it's going to be 10 times your variable, which in this case is y. Okay, let's scoot down a little bit. Oops. Okay, come down here. Let's do number 3. What do you get when you subtract 9 from b? And so subtract, we're going to do 9, and we're going to subtract b, 9 minus b, b being my variable. Okay, number 4, what is c divided by 22? I'm going to start with c, put my line there, divided by 22. So whatever my variable is, or my variable is c, so whatever value that is, would be divided by 22. Number 5, what is 12 decreased by p? Now decreased means you're getting smaller, so it'd be subtracting. So I start with 12, and I'm decreasing it, or subtracting, p. So I have 12 minus p. Okay? Let's go down to 6 through 11. Rewrite each phrase as an algebraic expression. C multiplied by 5. I take my 5, put my c right next to it. 5c is c multiplied by 5. Let's go over here. Number 7. 10 larger than y. So I can go y plus 10 or 10 plus y. I'm going to go 10 plus y because I'm larger, 10 larger than y. Number 8, 9 less than e. This one I have to write this way. I have to start with e, and I'm going 9 less. So I have my minus, and then 9. E minus 9. Triple R. Triple R, when I triple something, I know I'm dealing with multiplication. So this one is simply 3r. P divided by 4. Okay, P divided by 4. Quadruple F. Quadruple is 4 times. And if F is my variable, it would be 4F. Okay, let's look at these 2 word problems, and it says to put the problems in the form of an algebraic expression. Okay, there are X students trying out for a solo in a chorus concert. Only 6 will be chosen. How many students will not be chosen? Okay, so we got that. So we have these X students. They're trying out for a solo, and only 6 will be chosen. So X is my starting. Like, say X is 100. So I have 100 students trying out for a solo concert. Only 6 will be chosen. How many students will not be chosen? So I'm going to take my X students and take away the 6 that will be chosen, and that's how many are left that won't be. So X is the number of students I start with, and then if I take away the 6 that will be chosen, I'm left with how many will not be. So my algebraic expression is X minus 6. Okay, let's look at number 13. There are Y students who volunteered to pull weeds in the school garden. Okay, so Y students. I'm going to start there. That's pretty important. The principal said she wishes she had 3 times as many volunteers. how many volunteers would the principal like to have? Okay, so the principal wants 3 times as many. Now she's going to start with these Y students. She wishes she's had more. So we're going bigger. So Y is my variable, and because she wants 3 times, I'm going to do that. So if my variable, say Y students, say she has 3 students, and she wishes she had 3 times as many, so it'd be 3 times 3. She wishes she had 9. But because we don't know what Y is, that's our variable, and so we do 3 times Y, or 3Y, and that will tell us how many volunteers the principal would like to have. Okay. Hopefully that as you look at your sheet and as you did this matches up with yours, and if you have any questions, let me know tomorrow.